If you have an Android phone, then you need to turn on these settings for your privacy and security.
Come to your phone settings and launch it. Click on connection and look for more connection settings and click on it. Click on private DNS, turn it off from off to automatic and click save. This will give more protection and privacy to your Android phone. Now click on return button to return to settings main menu and scroll up to security and privacy and click on it this way. It will open to this interface this way. Now scroll up to auto blocker. Now what you have to do is to toggle it on. Once you have it toggled on, it will keep your phone safe by blocking threat and other suspicious activities. Now still on this interface, click on more security settings and then it will open this way. Click on block USB connection while locked. Let it be toggled on. What it does is that it protects your data by preventing USB devices from connecting to your phone unauthorized. Now scroll up a bit to make password visible and turn it off this way. If your phone is on this way, toggle it off. It will protect and hide your password whenever you're operating or doing something important online that need to protect your password. Again, click on return button to return to security and privacy settings. Now scroll up to internet privacy protection and click on it and scroll up a bit. Toggle on this pop-up as if you are the type that always been disturbed by annoying and intrusive pop-up ads from third parties app. You need to toggle it on. It will now block all such annoying pop-up ads from appearing on your phone. Are you with me? Scroll up a bit again and toggle all these ones on. One about malicious site. If by mistake you visited any malicious site that will be harmful to your phone, it will give you a warning and stop you immediately from going ahead on such a site. Now toggle it on. Block automatic download. Toggle it on. This will help prevent malicious download that could cause problem to your phone. Toggle it on. Now block opening external apps. Let it be on. If somebody sent you a link that contains some malware or malicious content in it, it will stop your phone from opening such external application automatically. And also toggle this one off to switch to secure connection whenever you by mistake visited any website that could cause harm to your handset or to your Android phone. All these ones are tailored to give you more protection and safety whenever you are online transacting or engaging in one important thing or the other. Now on this interface, click on return button to return back to this security and privacy. Click on more privacy settings. Now it will land you to this interface. All these ones I will talk about it later. This is the one we need to look into. Usage and diagnostics. Click on it. If your phone is on this way, you need to turn it off, because if it is on, your phone will be sending your data and information to developers without taking permission from you. So if you care about your safety, then you need to turn it off this way. So enjoy your day, and if you truly valued this content, don't skip without liking. Drop your question on the comment section, share for others to benefit, and subscribe for more tech tips like this. See you in my next video.